Just a fun fact, I have never drawn like with pencil colors in my entire life, so it will going to be like hard for me. So as you can see, it is my first drawing of pencil colors. It took me like 4 hours to complete, and it is not even completed right now. I am taking the page out of the sketch because it is very hard to draw in there. Here is me struggling to close it. As you may know, you have to sharpen the pencil before using it, obviously. When you start, you can have a reference picture with you. It can help you with details and the things that you don't know how to draw. And similarly, I'm going to use this reference here. Now I'm going to zoom it and let's start. As you can see here, I'm just sketching the base here. You can do the same with your reference picture. You can be any picture, it doesn't have to be like perfect. It can be messy because the coloring is what matters. So now what you have to do is erase the dark lines. I don't have a kneaded eraser, so I'm going to use this one. Here it is. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to take the lightest color and color the lightest spots, like highlighted spots here and there. Tip that I have learned so far is to have patience, because patience is the biggest key. Now I'm going to use this pink baby color and color this area lightly, like you have to move slow, and I would prefer that you move it in a circular motion. It would help blending much better. Now we're going to use the purple color the same way that we use the pink color. And also use white for blending. It's very good. For my dragon is blue. You can take any color for your base. So I'm going to take the lightest blue color and color all the dragon parts with it, and then we can shade it and double it with layers. And layering is also very good while coloring. It helps to bring like life to it. I'm going to repeat this process over and over again until I reach a flawless piece, and I hope that you can also do it. As you now know how to color and shade, I'm going to do all of that behind the scenes and then show it. So here it is. I have not added the details. I am first going to draw the eyes. You can see in the reference picture I have some white detailings to add. I'm going to do that next. So this is the paint that I'm going to be using to add the white details, and this is the brush that I'm going to be using. So let's just get right into it. So here's the result. Did you like it? If you did, then comment down below. Now let's put it back into the sketchbook before it gets dirty. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.